it's Ethony. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be unboxing the Witch's Bounty for October 2020. I'm very excited. I always love getting these boxes in the mail. So let's go and discover what's inside. What's in the box? In the box. Does anyone know? Okay, cool. Ooh, amber. So this month we are going to be having a piece of amber. The artwork, I say this every single month, but do know that I'm saying this with absolute authenticity. It is freaking stunning, like so beautiful. We have this beautiful piece of artwork with a little witchy, a little kitty cat, and all of the magical correspondences of amber, which is really great for Book of Shadows, because if you're looking to do a specific type of magic, you can go and have a look at what amber is good to be used for. Oh, I'm shedding. So you have a beautiful orange pouch and a lovely piece of tumbled amber. And when you hold amber up to a light, you can actually see all the way through it. Now you will know if it is real or fake amber because of the lightness of it. So amber is actually quite a light stone because it's tree resin. If it feels too heavy, you'll know that it is not real. And I love how shiny that is. Amber is also considered in a lot of Wiccan practices the stone of the high priestess. So one of the gifts that I got when I became a high priestess many years ago was this beautiful amber bee. So I really love amber for the association as well with the high priestess. So we've got the little organza baggie. We have our cord that we get every month in our little bag as well. Ooh. And I'm sure this is going to have amber in it, this oil. Oh, it's called Gentle Guide. Oh, I love that. Now I can already see some chamomile in here. Gorgeous. So this is a magical anointing oil. That is heavenly. Oh. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. So yummy. It almost smells like vanilla and honey and deliciousness. That is so gorgeous. This is the Gentle Guide anointing oil, and as many of you know, the anointing oils are one of my favorite things about the Witch's Moon boxes. Loving the colors. I'm really into fall this year. I'm really into a lot of the fall colors. Look, I just want to be really careful. So I'm just going to pop this down. So this is rolled in, oh, it smells so good. Rolled in herbs. So this is called Of Deep Roots this month. This is the Nature's Bounty spell candle. We have hand rolled this spell candle for you with the intentions of providing grounding and earthly energies. As you allow the flame to dance, visualize yourself connecting with all things that surround you. Oh, so it's got yarrow in it. That's what it's been rolled in. The Gentle Guide magical oil. Oh, okay, interesting. So the Gentle Guide magical anointing oil has got lang lang. I love lang lang. Chamomile, clove, elderflower, and there's some Lemurian mini quartz and some of the personal blend as well. It's really, honestly, so unbelievably gorgeous. And then we have these incense sticks. Whoop. You all know how much I love to sniff things. And our incense sticks, we have Comfort Ritual Incense Sticks. As you allow the smoke from this ritual incense to waft through your sacred space, allow its purifying and calming qualities to release you from worry, so you may truly focus on the work that is found in front of you. I love that. And it also frees you from any barriers that have been standing before you. Gorgeous. All right, are we ready? Are we ready for the big mama? This is our necklace, a pendant for this month. Oh, wowee. Oh, it's so beautiful. Holy Moses. Look at her. So as you can see, when I hold it up like this, it is And every piece for this will be completely unique. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So because amber has all those inclusions that are completely unique. So this is a Sumatra amber pendant and filigree setting. I'm in love with that. As one of our favorite and most collected stones or fossilized items, amber has been a large inspiration for a number of projects we've worked on over the years. This was discovered in Sumatra in Southeast Asia and is completely natural without treatment of any kind. Dating between 20 to 200 million years old, amber is fossilized resin. We have found the amber to be a stone of tranquility and confidence, providing us with a sense of belonging and foundation. It can help you with a hectic and chaotic life. We find that amber comforts you and has the ability to wrap you within warm energy so that you continue to grow on your sacred path ahead. I love it. And it says do not use harsh chemicals, cleaners on your amber jewelry, which is really important because otherwise it's going to destroy the actual amber itself. So you can't use any like silver polisher or anything like that because it will destroy it. It will eat away at it because it's corrosive. That is a simply beautiful, beautiful collection from the Witch's Bounty. I will pop a link in the description box below where you can go and get your own Witch's Bounty. Thank you so much for watching. Have you used amber before? I would love to know if that's one of your favorite stones. If you use it to journey with or meditate with, let me know. I love hearing how everybody uses their stones, and I'll see you all next time.